As the school year comes to an end, you might want to consider archiving your class notebooks from this year. Doing this will save a copy of your notebook in your OneDrive. This might be especially helpful if you are taking a course that continues to a more advanced level the following year. It will give you the opportunity to go back and reference previously learned materials. In order to begin the archiving process, the first thing you will need to do is log into your Office 365 account. After you get to your home page, you will click on the OneNote icon. After you click on the OneNote icon, you will see several tabs up top, and you will want to click on the one that says Class Notebooks. You will now see a list of all of the class notebooks that you have. If you decide that you would like to save a copy of one of those notebooks, all you need to do is scroll over the one that you would like to archive, and you're going to notice the three dots to the right of the name of it. When you click on the three dots, you're going to see an option that allows you to save a copy of that notebook. Go ahead and click on that button that says Save a Copy. You're going to see a little window pop up where it tells you that you can archive your school notes by copying them into your own Microsoft account. From here, you're going to want to click the purple button that says Save to your work or school account. After you do this, it's going to come up with a little message that it has saved to your account. It will prompt you with a message saying, "Great, you're all done and you got it," and it's telling you that it's going to go into the Documents folder in your OneDrive. Go ahead and click the purple Got It button. If you go back to your OneDrive account, you are going to look for the folder called Notebooks, and when you click in there, you're going to see all of your archived notebooks. So I just saved an Italian AP one, and you can see that I have a copy saved with these little blue lines showing that it's been newly saved. You would want to be able to save your notebooks before the end of the year to ensure that none of your work gets lost.